Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video we are going to pick the daily cipher code for today. For today the code is KYC. So we are going to do it together. We are going to type to get K. We are going to long press once, tap once, and long press once again, and that will give us K. For Y we are going to long press, tap, long press, long press. Then the last letter is C. So we are going to long press, tap, long press, tap. So that is it for today. I will see you in my next video. If you are new, please kindly subscribe, and thank you.